Check out this 1970 Chevy Camaro. This is very rare. It's, first of all, it's a numbers matching 350 factory air, power steering. What makes this car so cool is the color. This is a factory hugger orange car. You just don't find these cars in orange. Original bucket seats, runs and drives great. And again, the air compressor kicks on, so it's working. Factory hugger orange with air, white stripes, cowl hood. It's got the split bumper front. Very cool car, in and out. Very original. I have documentation. It's a 3-owner car only. We have the original Protecto plate. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. So nice and straight, very clean. Bucket seat, center console. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. What a nice car and price to sell.